Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we are going to show how to customize the post page in Wix. Personalizing the blog or post layout helps match your brand style and improves the reader experience. Let's get started. First, we open our browser. Once the browser is open, we go to wix.com and log into our account. After logging in, we look at the left panel. Here, we will see the blog section. We click this blog. Now we can customize our post by going to a specific post. We click this post. Here, we will see a variety of our posts. We can customize them by clicking this next to the filter. Here, we click this one, and a pop-up window will appear on the right. We can choose what we want to see, such as reviews or comments. Simply check this or uncheck it. We can create, draft, see pending, or scheduled posts here as well. This is the section where we can customize our posts on Wix. Take your time to configure these settings and choose what works best for your preferences. With the right design adjustments, our content will look more professional and engaging.